internationally known. You about to smell my cologne.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a quick video on this box I got from Skate Warehouse, and yeah, let's unbox it. And I'm actually kind of excited about this one, so let's open it in a very civilized way. Tan tan. Okay, so let's take out this shit out. So let's see what we got. Got some Jessup grip tape. This thing. I didn't order these, but they sent me some Skate Warehouse stickers. So yeah, it's cool. And this is what I'm excited about. Oh, more stickers. Let's see. Yep. So yeah, that's it. Stickers, grip tape, shoes. Alright, let's talk about the shoes first. So the shoes I got first were Fallen shoes. They're called the FA Torch. And they have this thing right here. It's like they look exactly like the Moranas, but they're from Fallen. And they're 8.5. And I don't know. This is how they look. And yeah, that's just a pair of shoes I got. I just wanted to switch it up, try some shoes I've never tried before. And those are Cupsole. And then you have the Fall. They're called FAL, the Easy. I don't know what that is, but they're from Fallen. And they say Easy right here. These are so fresh and stylish. And these are vulcanized, and I'm excited to try vulcanized shoes again, because I think I started skating with vulcanized shoes. I started doing Cupsole because when you land primo on these, it hurts, but you know, who cares? I just wanted to try vulcanized shoes. Maybe it increases, like, I don't know, flick or something, even though I'm still trying to learn how to kickflip. But yeah, just want to try them out. But this is what I'm excited about. It's a board from Flip, and it's 8.25. 8.25. And so far I've been riding an 8, but I had a cruiser board, and since my friend broke my skateboard that was an 8, I had to use that cruiser board that was an 8.75. And then I was skating with it for the day, and I could heel flip, I could do everything. So I was like, hey, look, it's not really that much like harder to flip a board that's big. So I guess I'll just, you know, get a little bit a size bigger, because I ride an 8. So 8.25 seems reasonable, not too big, but you know, a little bit more space to land on the board. It's not so bad. So yeah, that's my reasoning behind getting an 8.25. And eventually I'll probably do a video on the shoes, how vulcanized are compared to Cupsole. And I'll also do another video on changing sizes, board sizes, if it's really a good thing, a bad thing, why you should change, why you shouldn't, what size you should ride. I'm not sure, but those videos will come soon. And hopefully I'll also do a review on flip skateboards. This is my first flip board ever. And I'm guessing it's not that bad since Luan got that pop. But yeah. Oh, I also do a skateboard setup with this. But yeah, thank you for watching. It's a quick video. It's kind of dumb, lame, I know, but still, like, subscribe, leave a comment below.